Hello, Professor. This is my Web 222 assignment, the assignment 2. On the right hand here we have the instructions, on the left we have my code, and I'm going to press F5 to run the code and go over it. Alright, so the first step here was to create an array of objects called courses with this information, and I called it courses. I entered all this for the 3 courses there with all their the information they required. And here, using an array method, I will remove the first course, so with and store it to a variable, and output a message to show which was removed from the array. So right here I use the variable called first course to refer to the course I was going to remove, the APC 100. So I use the method .shift to remove it, and then I just print it here on the bottom. You can see here on the console that the APC was removed, and it's stored in the first course now. Now, create 3 courses object which should have the same properties as what the objects have. I created the 3 of them here, and I named them as OPP244, Web222, and DBS211. And next, I will use the array method to add these courses in the array courses. I use the onShift method to add them each one to the first position of the array. And now here I did this for loop to add in the hours of the total hours of the courses. And here I'm printing. So at the end, I will print the sum of the hours of the courses is 15 hours, because we have here 5 hours per floor plus 4 is 9, 11 plus 4, yeah, 11 plus 4, 15. The 3 here is the one that did not enter in the final sum because I have already removed it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. You did not ask to print the array itself, so I didn't, of course. Alright, so for task number 2 now. Let me just scroll down here. Okay, create an object prototype called employee with these properties and these methods. So here's my object employee. These are the properties, these are the methods on it, and it's returning all this information here, right? So create 5 employees objects with all the information on them. So I create MP1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the employee 1, the base salary was 50,000. So we're gonna change it, right? So mp1.promote. So this should update now the employee 1. I actually printed it here when I was running my test. I was printing it to make sure it was printing the right amount. But I'm gonna remove this from the original code that I'm going to submit, because you don't ask this in your instructions. But use the message to promote the first employee. So the first employee was promoted here. Now we'll create the array and add all of them in there. I created the array here and added all of them there. And then use a for each method to iterate and output the information of the students. Sorry, it should be employees, I guess, to the console. So they were, this is all the information: Anna, born on this date, ID is 111, manager, and the updated salary, and all the information for the other 4 employees are also displayed here. And that was it. Thank you so much.